everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video will be this delicious sweet potato carrot soup. I start by peeling the sweet potatoes and the carrots. Cut both ends of the onion and then cut in half. Cut one side of the garlic and remember not to remove peels from either. Grab a piece of aluminum foil and non-stick paper. Place the garlic inside and then a little bit of olive oil and dash of salt. Fold it up and set aside. Chop up your sweet potato and carrots. Place them in a bowl. Add some cinnamon, turmeric, cumin, and sea salt. Mix them up a little and add them to the tray with a non-stick paper. Add the onion and the garlic. Bake for 30 minutes to 420 degrees. For the cashew cream, add half cups of raw unsalted cashews in a mixer. Add 1 tablespoon of sea salt, 2 tablespoons of Nutritional yeast, 1 tablespoon of agave, and half a lemon juice. Close the lid and shake well. Blend for about 30 seconds or until creamy. After 30 minutes of baking, remove the tray from the oven and in a medium-sized deep casserole add 2 cups of water. Remove onion peel and garlic peel and then add all roasted veggies into the casserole. Close lid and let it cook for 15 minutes in high heat. This step is to make your soup more creamy and smooth. Cut a small ginger root piece and place into casserole to give it some extra flavor. After 15 minutes, remove the ginger from the casserole and pour the rest of the veggies into a large blender. Blend for about 30 seconds or until creamy. Add the puree back into the casserole and pour 1 cup of water into the blender to rinse off the rest of the puree into the casserole. Add the cashew cream and make sure to leave some behind to decorate when serving. Add 1 tablespoon of turmeric and stir. Close lid and let it cook for 10 minutes in a medium heat. Turn stove into medium heat and in a small-sized saucepan, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and sauté some chopped up leeks. Add some salt and let it cook until lightly golden. After your soup is ready, get 2 large soup bowls and serve the soup puree. Add the leeks in the middle. Add some baby greens and bruschetta bread on the side. Sprinkle some olive oil and thyme on the bruschetta bread. Finish with some nutmeg and a touch of the cashew cream. Enjoy this warm, creamy soup on a cold winter night. Be sure that you will amaze your guests or anyone who will try this soup recipe. Enjoy and don't forget to like and subscribe.